Protests have erupted in Maine after an immigration and customs enforcement agent shot and killed a motorist on Monday. It's the second time in a week that ICE has used deadly force, and at least the ninth death tied to the Trump administration's immigration crackdown. The Department of Homeland Security said agents were surveilling an address for a person with a final order of removal from the country. When ICE tried to stop a vehicle coming from that address, DHS said in a post on X, quote, "The vehicle attempted to flee the scene, and fearing for public safety, an officer discharged his weapon." Video from a security camera shows a white vehicle approaching an intersection at a modest speed before making several slow circles. A law enforcement SUV then blocks its path, and two officers open the driver's door, dragging out a limp body. Immigrant rights groups identified the man who was killed as a 26-year-old native of Colombia.
I watched a wife fall to her knees looking at her husband's dead body on the ground. I watched a little girl crying with a little pink backpack on because she's never going to see her father again. And I heard the anguish of a mother that just lost everything in her life.
The officers involved didn't have body cameras, leaving many questions surrounding the circumstances of the shooting. It's not yet clear how close the officer was to the vehicle when the officer opened fire, whether officers told the driver to stop, or how the public may have been in danger. The community is left demanding transparency as federal immigration tactics face intense scrutiny.